In a dynamic business environment, as your organization grows rapidly, operations can become more complex. This expansion inherently requires smooth integration of your systems with others. However, this process can be complex and time-consuming, as you're constantly dealing with a flood of data. As a business owner, you may have data from online retail transactions, your many cash books, your financial statements, different accounting software, price lists, and sales data. You spend a lot of time with it. If you are a tax expert, you may receive data from clients in a variety of formats, which you may then have to manually enter into TallyPrime for compliance and audit purposes. Manually managing data from multiple systems is inefficient and error-prone. It takes up valuable time that could be better spent on other tasks, such as providing valuable insights to clients or growing the business. There's a better way. TallyPrime 4.0's Excel import function makes it easy to get the data you need into the system you use, regardless of your industry, business size, or existing accounting software. If your data is on Excel, just import it to Tally with a few clicks. Now you can import your e-commerce transaction data from any platform directly from Excel with a click. If you already record your transactions in Excel, no stress. Just map the Excel columns to the Tally fields, and you're done. If you're using any other accounting software, you just have to share the data in Excel, and your tax expert can import it to TallyPrime seamlessly. As a tax expert, you just need to ask your clients to use the Tally provided templates or create your own custom format for your clients to record their data. Once it's done, you just import the data into TallyPrime. No more chasing clients for data. No more manual entry. No more errors. Just accurate and up-to-date data and one single source of truth. No matter what your business or industry, TallyPrime 4.0's Excel import function can streamline your data management. And you can start focusing on what's important, growing your business. TallyPrime 4.0. Simply professional. Upgrade today.